we are about to do something that we've never tried. And it's a little bit scary. We're a little anxious. We are going for 2.5 weeks. Normally we go somewhere, we come home. We go somewhere, we come home. We go somewhere, we come home. Not this time. This time, we're going for 2.5 weeks. We're going somewhere, we're going somewhere, we're going somewhere. We got about 5 or 6 stops. And to add to this, we have Sam's mother coming with us. First time we're going with somebody else in our camper. So
I think we're ready.
Yeah?
We sure have a lot of stuff. I think we're good to go.
our trip says 2 hours, 36 minutes.
All right.
154 miles. We're taking.
Alrighty. We're off. We are off. Holy moly. Okay. That was, I shouldn't even say it. Knock on wood.
What?
That was the best back out you've ever done.
Yeah.
I think it bodes well. So Scott is down there right now getting water. We got out and walked to look at our site, and this is what we found. We're directly across from water. It's okay though. Okay.
Because we're walking down to the gorge from the campsites. So this is directly from the Mohawk Loop. We're walking down right into the gorge. All right, so we're done hiking the gorge. It's like super humid and hot, but once you get down into it, it's actually a lot nicer. And there's a breeze and there's water, and it's nice. But right now, to negate the 5,000 steps we just did, I don't know how many steps, to negate the thousands and thousands of steps we just did, we get to go get some ice cream and some beer. So we're gonna go down into Watkins Glen and see what kind of ice cream and beer situation we can drum up. Found ice cream. We're at the Great Escape Ice Cream Parlor. Check it out.
Good milkshake.
Very yummy.
All right, so kids got ice cream. It's my turn. We're getting some beer. We got beer. 2 goats. This is crazy expensive. Okay.
Look at this.
Hector Falls.
Yeah.
Coming up. Hector
Oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sam's getting changed. She's gonna go for a run. Jack over here. We're gonna go to the playground. I'm gonna set up a little workstation, get some work done, and Woowie is spilling stuff.
A little bit of the milkshake when I said it there.
Allegheny.
Getting ready for bed. Jack's sleeping here tonight.
Walk to Alleghenies.
Because
Letchworth. Cedar
Woowie's
Point,
over here tonight.
Yellowstone.
bright and early day 2. Well, it's not bright. Because we're getting thunder. So we put everything inside the truck and put the awning back in case we get a bad thunderstorm.
Sorry. I checked last night before we went to bed, which was literally 9:30, but it was not supposed to. It was not supposed to rain until 11. But here we are. We're playing it by ear. We're going into Ithaca, and we're hoping to do Buttermilk Falls and maybe Robert Treeman, the High Falls Gorge, High Gorge Falls, High Falls Gorge, the walk. And then depending if it's sunny or not, we brought our suits and our towels, so we might take a dip in that really cool pool at the bottom of Robert Treeman State Park. And depending on if the farmer's market is open, we might go there. We're definitely going to stop at Ithaca Brewing, whether we're getting lunch or I feel like we do dunch. We do dinner lunch. And we brought snacks, and so we're just going to kind of spend the day in the Ithaca area and see what we can do.
Farmer's market wasn't open or wasn't open yet. We're going to Buttermilk Falls. Kids are very concerned with the manufacturer of any given playground that they frequent. So we have a compan playground near our campsite, and the kids are like, "Oh, I hate compan. We're not going there." Here they are in a landscape structures playground, having a grand old time on a pig and a plane. Pig and a plane. Aw, 2 of you on the plane. Aw. We're going to Ithaca Falls, and I think we parked in the wrong spot. So we got a 5-minute walk. It was supposed to be like rainy today, and it is hot and humid. Holy cow. That was a pretty one. This, I don't know about this. We got a suspension bridge in Ithaca here. How high up are we? Man, I don't know. Really high though. And you can feel this bouncing. So we were on our way to Lucky Hat Brewing Company and the distillery. I think it's just Finger Lakes Distilling, and I just parked super poorly at Taughannock Falls Overlook because I saw a sign that said 1 mile, and it wasn't going to add any time to our actual drive. So we just swung into the parking lot quick, and we're going to go do the overlook. Here.
Be here.
You take.
Oh,
and I'll take them in
gift shop.
Gift shop.
I think everybody wants to go in the gift shop.
For real though.
Does Woowie want to go in the gift shop? Yeah. Do you want to look
You
first?
guys know it's raining. You guys know it's raining, right?
I can't tell I'm wearing a hat.
Oh, there, everybody.
No, look. Yeah, just perfect aim. It's coming. For perfect aim, the drain drop just landed on my eye.
Well, good. You don't even need to believe that.
Look.
Oh, goodness.
Ooh, look at the hawk.
Beautiful. Yes, I
Tomorrow?
have a goal.
You're fine. Tomorrow, Woowie, we're going to go all the way down there.
Say it again.
We got in just in time. The wind is picking up, thunder and lightning on the way to the car. Luckily, it's a teeny tiny little walk right there. I think it's gonna start pouring. I think all that rain, we just went through some rain, is coming here now. And off we go.
All right, Lucky Hare Brewing.
Whoa!
Okay, it was 74 bucks, but
Okay.
but 2 of these are sours. 2 4-packs of sours.
Okay. All right. Do you want to put them at my feet? All right, let's do
Okay.
this. It's a good thing I organized in here.
So on our alcohol tour of the Finger Lakes here, by the way, no wine. We're not doing any wine. We are now at Finger Lakes Distilling.
This is how they make the liquor.
Yeah.
So you can see it here.
Oh look, it's working right now.
Well, it said it's a continuous. Is that what that means, or does that mean it's just one system?
I don't know.
It's pretty cool. They've got the thing down there, the diagram.
Yeah. This is like an Olympic-sized pool here, and the only section we're allowed to use is about a third of it. About a third of it is open for swimming, and the rest of it is closed.
Did Emma have to take a shower?
Did she rinse off first? Oh, it told us to.
Oh, you didn't leave?
I said, imagine the people who go camping here for like a whole week and don't shower and then just jump in the pool. They want people rinsed off before jumping in. All right, pool time. Here's what's going on. Day 1, day 2, we've been at Watkins Glen for over 24 hours now.
Yeah.
Mommy and Woowie just went and took another hike on the Gorge Trail. The same hike as last night, except instead of going to the right, they went to the left. So we're just hanging out. We're gonna make a campfire in minutes. Did you have fun at the pool? Yeah. All right.
Why did I sound so weird in that?
Hold on. What happened at the pool?
Oh, we got called out.
Why?
Because there was supposed to be thunderstorm.
Right, one peal of thunder, and they called everybody out of the pool, and that happened. So
One peal.
one. We haven't heard any more since then, and that's our night. We're gonna have a campfire, and I'll show you the campfire when it happens. Guys, I am gonna go outside, and I think I'm gonna play some guitar. Chantilly lace and a pretty face and a ponytail hanging down. We're wiggling and walking, a giggle and a talk. Well, me the world go round, round, round. There ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl to make me act so funny, make me spend my money, make me feel real loose, make a long man.
Girl,
Oh, baby, that's what I like.
I'm not doing that.
What else you want to do?
I don't know.
Anything for you.
Jolene.
You want to do Jolene? Let's do Jolene. Here we go.
Oh, we're driving all the way up to the upper entrance, and then we're going to go down Jacob's Ladder, which is the 180 stairs, and then we are going to go down probably to like where we entered, which I think it's like Lover's Lane Trail. So we're gonna go down, 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 and then up Lover's Lane Trail, and then we're gonna go the North Rim all the way back to the upper entrance, so that we don't have to go up the 180 stairs.
We're up at the top, and they have a Watkins Glen Park shuttle. So if you want to walk the gorge, park up here, walk the gorge. It's about a 1.5 mile walk. You can take the shuttle right there back to your car. You don't have to go back and forth. So we're starting up top today. It's going to be 180 steps down, and then we're not going the full 1.5 miles. Might go about 1 mile. I'm carrying waters, but I'm also carrying a selfie stick that folds out into a tripod, a Bluetooth remote. Nice catch. do the Taughannock walk that we did last time we were in Ithaca. And then we're gonna go to Ithaca Beer Company with our cousin Silas. And he's the reason that we were out here last time in Ithaca for his wedding. This is what the trail looks like. Nice and wide, nice and flat. Sam, you said this one is wheelchair accessible?
I believe so, yeah. Yeah.
How do you pronounce this?
Taughannock, I believe.
Taughannock? Taughannock?
Taughannock.
Taughannock?
I don't know.
Taughannock.
Taughannock. First time when I read it, I called it Taughannock.
Taughannock. You can feel that.
Yeah.
So we're doing Ithaca Beer Company. Here it is behind us. It's big. Go check it out.
Thank you. Cool. I think we're good.
Everyone gets food. There's food.
I love food. All right. Here, eat some of my fries while you're waiting. Jack, can I have a piece of chicken, please? For your sister.
You'll never get a piece of chicken from me.
Oh, cool. Hello. That's good. That's good.
Oh, be careful. Okay.
Now, as soon as we go home to walk the dog,
It's on.
It's gonna start raining.
Very tasty. I just saw like the right is where it is right now.
This is just a lake now. You good?
Yep.
I gotta get back into the truck, so
Bye.
to turn the lights off. Thanks, Sam. You're okay, love. No, don't close it. Don't close it. Hey. Don't rush it, all right?
Guys, you're gonna step in giant puddles. It's okay. That's just the way it is.
Don't be weird, Jack. Last night.
Oh, yeah. So we drove home. We went to Ithaca Brewing. Ithaca Beer? Ithaca Beer Company.
Yeah.
Delicious beer, delicious dinner. It had been thunderstorming like for 2 hours. They're thundering 2 hours before we got there. And on the drive home, it hit. So we drove home in a monsoon with just lightning all around. Ooh, and fog. It was just fog everywhere. It was pretty interesting. Guys, was it fun?
No. Here.
A little scary, but also a little interesting.
And then,
fun.
guys, what do we come back to at the campsite?
It flooded.
Everybody's flooded, but yes, ours included.
Yeah.
Our bathroom door's been leaking, so now we have water in the bathroom.
We don't have water in the bathroom, but we do have a slightly leaky bathroom door. That bathroom door has given us trouble since we bought it, and we took it in once to get it adjusted. And they did, and it was better, but it's still not, it's not right. So we actually couldn't use it for the first
two trips.
The first couple trips, yeah, when we got it, we just had to keep it closed because if you opened it, you couldn't close it again. So I think we might have to put some like insulation foam around it. You know what I mean?
We got to get it closing right first.
Well, I think we just need the insulation foam so the rain doesn't get in, and then close it, and then it's just closed again for this trip because I don't want it to break more.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, we just kept the awning out last night, and that
just a little bit.
That prevented it,
and it helped.
So next step, where do we go now?
Oh, we're packing up, and we're going to Catskills RV Resort in Wurtsboro, New York.
All right.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really sure of what we're gonna do. There's not a ton right there, like for us. I mean, I'm sure there's like a little town and shops, but the hiking, I think we have to drive a ways away to get to some of the stuff, which we are happy to do and we will do. Oh, life is good.
We'll see what we got.